Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday, May 13th. I'm Thomas Baca, your personal barber instructor. Today I wanted to make a quick video on the straight razor that I use. It's called Feather Professional Artist Club SS. This is the razor that I've been using. I'd like to unbox it for you and show you how it holds the blades and why I like it so much. So look, I'm gonna unbox this. Shout out to Barbers Haven in Albuquerque, New Mexico. This is from Barbers Haven in Albuquerque. I only shop there. So he has real high-end stuff. Shout out to Malcolm. If anyone's in Albuquerque and they need to get any barber supplies, go to Barbers Haven. Look, this is how the blade comes. That's pretty cool. And then look, I'll just untape it, pull this blade out, and this is what it looks like. This is real plasticky, listen. But I'm just gonna be honest with you, it ergonomically works very, very good. This is not really heavy, but it has a tiny bit of weight to it. I'm able to just really grab it very good. This is an awesome straight razor. I'm going to show you some cool things about it. Number one, I didn't like this at first where it had the plastic handle, but now I love it. I didn't like how light it was. I thought, damn, for this expensive, it feels kind of cheap. These are like 120 bucks. But once I started using it, I understood that it should be light. It really allows the blade to feel traditional and glide right. So let's get right into this part of the blade. I didn't know anything. And so to load the blade, it's really cool. I'll take these Derby premium blades. I won't do any talking. I'll just get right into loading it. Here's the premium blade right here. I'll take that blade out. You can see the Derby blade here. You see this here. If you grab right up here with two fingers and you pinch it, you can, these things unclasp and open, and you could slide the blade right in. And that's how it is. And look, if you're used to a different style of straight razor where the blade does not show as much, which I was using for 3 to 5 years, at first you're like, oh, are you sure that it went in right? It did go in right. It's absolutely set perfect. It's not going to come out. I actually find it better to have the straight razor to where you could see it more now. Like, just say that I'm doing a beard lineup. I can really lift the skin and see the skin right to where I'm going to I can really pencil in that beautiful line. So this is the razor that I use. This is, I've been using it now for, a month or so. This is the razor that I'll continue to use. So this is a straight blade feather razor, and that's how to put in the razor into the feather razor. If you might be used to something else that has a screw that opens up. This one, you just pinch it to release the razor. You go like this. And that's it. May as well leave the blade in because I'm going to go ahead and use it now. I also have another one of these at my desk. I have a couple of them. There it goes. Razor blade in. It's shut. It's good to go. So that's the Feather Razor Artist SS. Razor Club, whatever it is. I would definitely get it if I were you. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's a 10. It's also made in Japan. I'm finding out that everything that comes from Japan is good. If you liked this video and you got anything out of this video, a like would be cool. A comment would be great. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll answer anything you want. Like I said, I'm your personal barber instructor. If there's any video you would like me to make, just go ahead and let me know in the comments and I'll gladly make that for you. Thank you.